What's up mga idol at bossing ko? Maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. Kumusta po kayong lahat? 26 days na lang, Pasko na. Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at marami pa pong blessing ang dumating po sa inyong lahat. Sa mga naghahanap ng sasakyan, panoorin nyo po ito hanggang sa dulo dahil marami po tayong kasama sa lineup ng mga quality cars. Sana may magustuhan at mapili po kayo, kaya hindi na natin kailangan patagalin to. Pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like at subscribe naman po at isama mo na ang notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Ready na ba kayo? Eto na po sila, nangunguna sa ating lineup. 2010 Toyota Corolla Altis 1.6G, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 83,000 kms, price 328,000. Location Parañaque City. Eto, pasok sa budget, well-maintained and well-preserved unit. All stock, all original, 6-speed automatic transmission, malakas sumatak, wala po siyang delay. Malamig ang aircon with automatic climate control. All power buttons, working po lahat. Maayos ang interior ng unit kahit 2010 model, alaga talaga ng may-ari. Naka-deep dish matting na rin to. Smooth pa rin ang suspension, wala po itong kalampag. Under the hood, excellent running condition. Naka 1.6 liter gas engine that produces 120 horsepower at 154 Nm of torque. Malinis ang engine bay nito at naka-Amaron battery pa po. Wala po itong issue, sasakyan nyo na lang kahit po yung trunk space niyan. Naka-deep dish matting na rin. Outside appearance naman ng unit, presentable shiny paint. Mga gulong naman ito makakapal pa, nasa 85% trade line. Ready for long drive na po itong unit, just gas and go. Next, 2016 Hyundai Accent 1.4 GL, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 33,000 kms, price 398,000. Location Pasig City. Another sedan, fresh unit, fresh in and out, pristine interior condition, naka dual airbag, power steering na rin to, naka ice cold aircon with automatic climate control, will maintain and well-preserved unit, good running condition. All power and all panel gauge are working well. Naka-fabric seats sa mga upuan, maganda ang upholstery. Mga pang-ilalim, wala po itong kalampag, solid ang under chassis. Under the hood, naka 1.4 liter gas engine that produces 99 horsepower at 132 Nm of torque. Bago po ang battery niyan. Walang tagas ng langis at wala po itong overheat history. Outside appearance, puting-puti, makinis. Wala po itong gas-gas, walang dent. Mga gulong neto, nasa 85% trade line. Sasakyan mo na lang to, ready for long drive. Next, 2015 Nissan X-Trail 2.5 CVT 4WD, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 60,000 kms, price 620,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap naman ng 4-wheel drive na crossover type, pwede nyo pong i-check to mga idol. Multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, tsaka syempre Nissan trademark, malamig ang aircon with automatic climate control. 5-seater capacity, mga upuan nito naka-fabric seats, wala pong mga punit, maayos po at intact po ang interior. Marami rin kayong may lalagay sa trunk space neto. Under the hood, powerful and excellent engine condition. Naka 2.5 liter gas engine that produces 170 horsepower and 233 Nm of torque. Available po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng competition na nasa screen. Naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. Kung cash basis naman po kayo, negotiable upon viewing, at kung may existing unit po kayo, pwede nyo po dito i-trade in. 2017 Toyota Vios 1.3E, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 450,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa nag-request sa akin magpahanap ng Toyota Vios sa halagang 450,000, negotiable pa to, mapapasa inyo na to mga idol. Hindi ko na po isa-isahin ng mga features, lahat naman po sila working at makakaasa po kayo na lahat ng i-upload natin ay wala pong issue, ready to use na po. In good condition pa po itong Vios, lahat naman po intact. Sa gusto pong magpa-schedule ng viewing, just comment down below sa video. Engine bay nito malinis, wala pong oil leakage, naka-Amaron battery na rin to. Naka 1.3 dual VVTi gas engine that produces 99 horsepower and 123 Nm of torque. Sa mga interesado, pwede nyo rin pong kuhanin to ng financing. Ayan po yung competition sa screen. Makinis ang unit, stock original shiny paint. Kaya kung kursunada mo ito, andyan sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po para po sa mabilis na transaksyon. 2011 Hyundai Tucson 2.0 GL 4x2, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 70,000 kms, price 395,000. Location Las Piñas City. May rear parking sensor na to, all stock, all original. Kung may naghahanap dyan ng crossover type na below 400k ang budget, pasok na pasok to mga idol. All power, all mechanism are working well. 5-seater capacity, maayos at intact naman ang interior. Kahit 2011 model pa to, goods na goods pa, will maintain ng owner, wala po itong kalampag, walang under chassis noise. Guaranteed no engine issue, naka Motolet battery na to, no talsik, no no usok, no blow-by, good condition. Available din po ito sa financing. Pacheck na lang po ulit ng computation na nasa screen. Presentable pa naman outside appearance, used but not abused. Mga gulong neto nasa 85% trade line. Ating to fix, sasakyan mo na lang to, ready for long drive. 2017 Nissan Urban NV350 2.4L, manual transmission, diesel engine, mileage 60,000 kms, price 750,000. Location Las Piñas City. Maayos at magandang van ba ang hanap mo? Perfecto pang business at pang family use. Good running condition to, maayos manakbo, smooth. 15-seater capacity, marami ka pong maisasakay dito. Kaya sa mga naghahanap dyan ng van, pwede nyo pong sipatin to at pwede nyo pong i-view ng actual. Na-check ko na naman tong mga unit na to, pero kung may trusted kayong mechanic, pwede nyo pong isama mga idol. Kasama rin ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng competition sa screen. Kung may iba pa po kayong inquiry sa unit, feel free to ask. Paandito lang naman po ako para i-assist ko po kayo. Andyan rin sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po. 2018 Ford Ranger 2.2 Wildtrak 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 40,000 kms, price 930,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap ng Ford Ranger Wildtrak, check this out. Multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, push start button, a touchscreen head unit, may phone connectivity, may auxiliary and Bluetooth ready. Maganda nga upholstery ng interior nitong Wildtrak. Check nyo po idol, malinis. May kita mo ring maalaga rin ng first owner. Sa bidliner matting pa lang, malinis. Under the hood, powerful and superb engine condition. Naka 2.2 liter diesel engine that produces 158 horsepower and 385 Nm of torque. Available din po ito sa financing. Ayan po ulit yung computation sa screen. Pa-check na lang po. Naka-bridges to ng mga gulong nito. Makakapal pa. Nasa 90% trade line. Maganda po ang kulay nito. Makinis. Smooth, shiny, original paint. 2015 Honda CR-V 2.0S 4x2. Automatic transmission. Gas engine. Mileage 60,000 kms. Price 680,000. Location Las Piñas City. Quality na Honda CR-V. May parking sensor na to, may reverse camera, naka-touchscreen head unit, all power, all mechanism are working well, may anti-lock braking system, may eco mode and sports mode, 5-seater capacity rin to, mga upuan at sidings, naka-all leather, smooth ang suspension at wala naman po itong mga unwanted noise, under chassis solid. Check nyo po engine bay nito, no overheat history, no issue, naka 2.0 liter gas engine that produces 153 horsepower at 190 Nm of torque. Kasama rin po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ako ng computation sa screen. Kompleto po ang mga papel nito, ready for transfer, LTU 1HPJ verified, naka 16 inches alloy wheels at ang mga gulong nito naka Goodyear, makakapal pa po. Next, 2018 Toyota Corolla Altis 1.6V, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 60,000 kms, price 698,000. Location Makati City. Another quality na unit, Toyota Corolla Altis, all stock, all original, push start button na to with cruise control, multi-function steering wheel control, 6-speed automatic transmission, naka-touchscreen head unit, malamig ang aircon with automatic climate control. Pwede nyo rin po ito i-avail through financing. Ayan po yung computation sa screen. Outside appearance nito, stock original shiny paint, makinis, nakatutund alloy wheels at wala po itong mga gutter marks. Sasakyan mo na lang to, just gas and go. Next, 2019 Toyota Rush 1.5G, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 16,000 kms, price 840,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap ng Toyota Rush, fresh na fresh pa ito at ang baba lang ng mileage, push start, naka-touchscreen head unit, 5-speed automatic transmission, malakas sumata, good as brand new manakbo, naka-deep dish matting na rin yan, 7-seater capacity at lahat po ng upuan at sidings, naka-all leather. Okay rin tong si Rush, perfect pang personal use at family use. Check nyo po under the hood, naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 102 horsepower at 134 Nm of torque. No engine issue, no hidden defects, good running condition, ready for long drive. Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ulit ng computation na nasa screen. Nakatutund alloy wheels na po ito, naka full garnish set, naka rain gutter. Sasakyan nyo na lang po ito. Makinis po ang unit, wala pong gasgas, walang din. 2018 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 1.2 GLS, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 28,000 kms, price 430,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap ng sedan, ito all stock, all original, push start button na po ito, may touchscreen head unit, power steering na to, naka dual airbag, clean and fresh, intact interior, smooth po ang suspension nito at solid ang under chassis, 100% hindi po ito nabaha, 100% no accident history. Under the hood, naka 1.2 liter gas engine that produces 77 horsepower at 100 Nm of torque. Malinis ang makina, wala pong oil leakage, no overheat history. Available din po ito sa financing. financing. Sa gusto po ng financing, ayan po yung computation sa screen. Overall appearance ng unit, maayos po ito. Naka-stock original shiny paint at makakapal pa naman po ang mga gulong. Condition na po ito sa pangmahabaang biyahe, sasakyan mo na lang. Next, 2019 Toyota Rush 1.5e automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 15,000 kms, price 770,000. Location Las Piñas City. Another sariwang Toyota Rush. Mababa rin po ang mileage nito. Push start, automatic transmission din po ito. Naka-touchscreen head unit din po ito. Ice cold dual aircon with automatic climate control. Good as new condition. Private use only, not bank repo. Maayos po ang mga upuan nito. Naka-fabric seats, wala pong mga pune. Maluwag din po ang trunk space nitong unit. Marami rin po kayo may lalagay dyan. Under the hood, guaranteed no engine issue. Naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 102 horsepower at 134 Newton meter of torque. Kasama rin po ito sa financing. Check na lang po ako ng comparison sa screen. Outside appearance naman yung unit, makinis, wala pong gasgas, walang dent. Maganda po ang pagka-black nito. Naka-stock original shiny paint, very presentable. 2015 Chevrolet Trailblazer 2.8 LT 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 60,000 kms, price 610,000. Location Las Piñas City. Eto SUV, may rear parking sensor, naka-full garnish set na po yan, may high mounted stoplight, smooth and responsive transmission, wala pong delay sa shifting, malakas humatak. All stock, all original interior. Malinis at maayos ang mga upuan neto. 7-seater capacity. Smooth ang suspension, kaya sa mga naghahanap dyan ng below 600k ang budget, pwede nyo pong i-consider to. Available din po ito sa financing sa mga interesado. Pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Pogi ng mags neto at ang mga gulong makakapal pa naman. Nasa 85% trade line. Sasakyan mo na lang to, just diesel and go. 2017 Toyota Vios 1.3e automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 470,000. Location Las Piñas City. Another Toyota Vios, mga idol, check nyo rin po ito. Power steering na to, naka dual airbag, naka touchscreen monitor, naka deep dish matting na to, all power, all mechanism are working well. Sariwa ang loob nito, nothing to fix. Kasama rin po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Good running condition ng unit, no issue. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may napili kayo. Huwag nyo pong kalimutan i-click like and i-subscribe ang aking YouTube channel. Hanggang sa next upload, marami pong salamat sa inyong lahat. This is J. Catskill Vlogs. Peace out!